My name's John Whitis. I'm the operations manager of the Univar Solutions Coventry site. I joined Univar in 1999. Univar is a global chemical distributor who offers services throughout the world. Univar Solutions is a global business and has sites in Europe, Middle East, Africa, Canada, Latin America and the USA. Its headquarters is in a village in Illinois. Across our sites we operate a system called SAP, and it's a warehouse management system. The processes were managed, it was mainly paper-based, so there was a lot of manual intervention. PreBilt offered as a solution which basically would mirror our SAP and warehouse management system, so we didn't have to change a lot of the processes. So we found that PreBilt could adapt them to them processes rather than us adapting to PreBilt. We implemented PreBilt into the Coventry site and then Middlesbrough and Widnes. And we tested at Coventry and then moved it onto the other sites later. So PreBilt at this moment in time is used for picking. Then they do put away with it. So when a stock arrives on site, we then put it away. So we use PreBilt for that. We also use PreBilt for stock taking. So there's an app for that as well. What happens is a lot of people don't like change. So they're stuck with a process, an old process. When you introduce a new process, it takes a bit of time. I think what we had to do with a lot of the teams is show them the system, show how it worked, explain the benefits to them, and then they came on board. And I would suggest that now a lot can't do without it.
My name's Mark Limer. I'm the main warehouse picker at Coventry and I've been with the company 27 years. Some of the key processes I do in the warehouse is mainly picking, put away, bin to binning, which is moving stock around the warehouse, and some stock inquiries. We was a bit apprehensive about using the new technology. The training was given by the team leader. When we were shown how to use it, I was quite comfortable using it. Screens are pretty self-explanatory. It's just knowing what screen you need to go into for what part of the job function you are doing. I like the screens. You can actually change the screen size to whatever you want on the fonts. So if you want it small, you can have it small. If you want it big, you can have it big. But I find it quite comfortable to use. I like using PreBilt. It's a friendly user. It's, as I say, it's a good asset to the warehouse and also it's a good asset for the lads outside because it stays dry. They're not working with wet pit lists, so I think it's a good asset.
I think PreBilt gives us, one, it's environmentally friendly. When we had the old system, the pick lists, we had hundreds of pick lists printing off. So that really helps us with our business strategy about sustainability. So we don't have to print off all the pick lists. What it does help, it helps with the picking. We have a three check process. So the teams have to read the description on the products. They then read the product code and then they'll look at the batch. PreBilt, what it does is the system allows us just to scan a barcode label and that automatically puts all that information into the system itself. So it does speed up the process. The operational benefits for this site anyway is the fact that it stops time wasting. The guys don't have to keep walking into the office with the pick lists. It has freed up a lot of the admin tasks. Could be 30,000 admin tasks throughout Univar, maybe on the site here, maybe a couple of hundred tasks a week. We started using the system in the UK and then branched out to Europe. Now it's used in Belgium, France, Ireland, Italy, Nordics, Netherlands, Spain and some of the sites in the UK. My personal experience is there was quite a lot of knowledge on the config team. I think they had maybe a SAP super user or something who knew the SAP inside out, which was really helpful. The config team are available. We can, if we got a system issue, we can just get on the phone to them and tell them what the issue is and then they'll look at it. They're always out the other end of the phone if we need them.